here's the big reveal. That light pole is where our property line starts. That's the start of the driveway right there. And that's where the property goes to the other pole there. And that's where the leach field will be for the septic. So when you're coming by, you don't even see that there's going to be like a driveway there. And then all of a sudden, there she is. And it's really awesome. There's where the driveway turns into the area where the house will be. There it is. And that's where my house will be. Right along that area over there. And then all over on this side is just going to be open space for moving around and parking and all that good stuff. And then that'll be kind of my yard. And that corner actually is where the pond is. So I'll have to look at that because I haven't seen it yet. Staked out the actual dimensions of the house. So you can see the yellow caution tape. And that's going to be the shop side, and that's the truck parked in its spot in the garage area. So there's going to be 3 bays. The center one's going to have the lift. And then you can see right here, that caution tape divides the house from the shop. There he goes.